Okay, so I go to look at my page. I hadn't heard much from eBay in a while. And I go look at eBay messages. And I notice I have a new offer here. I have a new offer here. Oh gosh, I hadn't received an email. So I go to look. And apparently this has received an offer. This has received an offer. And this has received an offer. But eBay hasn't sent me any emails on it. And I think this offer might have got retracted or something. Because my price was $79.95, but they offered $64.95. But this says canceled expired offer, so it either got canceled or expired. Personally, I think it got canceled because this listing actually was supposed to accept anything over 50 something. Okay, so here's the listing. See, it should have accepted that offer. So I think this one got canceled. But the other two, I still didn't get any emails from. And I've checked my email preferences. This is the only place that I know of to check this stuff. And I'm supposed to be getting emails on all of this, but I'm not. That one doesn't matter. They only give you the option for real time or none. So real time would be send you the email, but they're not sending it. Is anybody else having that problem? I'm not getting the emails. Maybe these that are grayed out you don't get. Could that be it? So that's 3 possible sales that I missed out on not getting the emails. I probably would have accepted all 3 of those. I get these. I don't know. Could those be being blocked or something? Let me know if you're experiencing, if anybody's experiencing the same thing. Let me know if you don't get your emails from eBay. They must think this price is too high because that's a lot of views and not even an offer. So the other 3 with offers also have the most views. Not this one. This one's next in line for it, but I don't know. I got to list more items. I don't have enough stuff listed, and maybe get a store or something, but I think I need to be consistently listing a bunch more stuff before I get a store. I need to leave feedback for these 2, especially since they left me feedback. Typically, I don't leave feedback until I get feedback because essentially I can't leave negative feedback for a bad buyer. So I'm going to wait and see what they say first, because I would really be mad if I gave them good feedback and they left negative feedback, you know? Anyway, any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section, and I appreciate you watching. I'm going to have to check this more often because they only give you a few hours to respond to the offers. I mean, some of these offers you only had like 24 hours or something. I probably would have took that. Um, let's see. Valid for 23 hours. Valid for 23 hours. So it doesn't, a lot of times it doesn't give you more than a day to actually see this. When was this? Okay, this was sent July 17th. Okay, July 17th, I had to work 12 hours. So I worked from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. And by 7:56, I was probably in bed. And then I had to work the 18th. So there was no chance of noticing this really. Anyway, that was just bad timing. What about the other one? Okay, this was sent July 27th. Saturday, yep. I was at work then as well. 23:24. 11:24 at night. Yeah, I was definitely in bed before this, and I had to work the 28th as well. So I was in bed before this message, and I had to go to work the next day. So I wouldn't have even saw this until the 29th had I even been logged in at all. And yeah, I'd have took $35 for that. I mean, look, that price was only $44.95. I wonder if I could try contacting him again. I don't think it will actually let me send him a message now. It's too late. But I need to figure out a way to keep more on top of this and not miss these, because both of these were when I was working my 2 days or 3 days. Well, I thank you so much for watching. Leave a message in the message comment section, or leave me a comment. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down or both. And let me know if you get your... See, if I'd have got an email telling me that I had an offer, I would have saw it at work, because I checked those. You know, I'm going to have to start checking eBay at work on my phone during break. I guess is the only real option, and I could accept it that way, pretty much.